Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about PDP and also CPPD, Plant Design and Project Engineering, Unit number 7, Depreciation part, and also be 7th semester, Unit number 8, Depreciation part. In a previous lecture में આપણે જોઈ ગયા types of depreciation, physical and function depreciation detailમાં જોયું હતું. તો now start કરીશું આપણે method for determining depreciation, most important questions, some derivation part અને some examples એના બેસિસ પર આવશે. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ આપણે depreciation. Okay, the method for depreciation, determining depreciation part. The depreciation cost can be determined by a number of different method. Okay, अलग अलग मेथड છે, straight line method, sinking fund method, etc. In the design engineering should you understand the basis for the various method. The federal government has definite rules and regulations concerning the manners in which depreciation cost may be determined. The regulation must be followed for income tax purpose as well as the obtain most types of governmental support, since the method approved by the government are based on sound economic procedures. Most industrial concerned use one the government sections and some method for determining depreciation cost, both for income taxes calculation and more reporting the concerned cost and some profits. It is necessarily therefore more the design engineering keeps absurd of current change in governmental regulations part regarding depreciation allowance. ઓકે, અલગ અલગ મેથડ જોવાની છે, જેમાં છે ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇન મેથડ. ઓકે, ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ ઇઝ ધેર. સેકન્ડ વન ડિક્લાઇનિંગ બેલેન્સિંગ મેથડ. ઓકે, થર્ડ વન ઇઝ સિંકિંગ ફંડ મેથડ આવશે. એના સમ એક્ઝામ્પલ આવશે, એ જોવાના રહેશે આપણે. ઓકે, સમ ઓફ ધ યર મેથડ એન્ડ સિંકિંગ ફંડ મેથડ. ઓકે, આટલી વસ્તુ આપણે ડિટેલમાં જોવાની છે અને સમ એક્ઝામ્પલ બી જોવાના છે એના. ઓકે, તો ફર્સ્ટ ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ આપણે કવર અપ કરીએ. A method for determining depreciation. In a general, depreciation according to accounting method may be divided into two classes. First one is the arbitrary method, giving no consideration to interest cost, and the second one method taking into account interest on the investment. A straight line declining balance and sum of the year digit method are included in the first classes, while the second class include the sinking fund and the present worth method. Okay, and write down the first one, straight line method. ડિટેલમાં જોઈશું આપણે. એના પહેલાં થોડુંક રિવિઝન જોઈ લઈશું આ પાર્ટ. ડિપ્રિસિએશન કોસ્ટ. ડિપ્રિસિએશન કોને કહેવાય? સિમ્પલી કિંમતમાં ઘટાડો થઈ જાય, અમુક સમય પછી એની કિંમતમાં ઘટાડો થાય. સિમ્પલી તમે કોઈ બી એક બાઇક પરચેસ કરો છો, એની કિંમત છે 1,10,000 rupees. For bike is a unicorn. After 2-3 years using a bike and a purchasing cost is only 80,000 rupees. So how many cost loss in this bike? The 30,000 rupees. This is the depreciation cost કહેવાશે એને. Can be determined by a number of different method, and the design engineer should understand the basis for the various method. The federal government has defined rules and regulations concerning the manners in which depreciation cost may be determined. This regulation must be followed for income tax purposes as well as the determined to be obtained most types of governmental support, since the method approved by the government are based on sound support economic some procedures. Most industrial concerned use one of the government section કરશે એના બેસિસ પર. And some method for determining depreciation cost, so both for income taxes calculation and for reporting the concerned cost and profit. It is necessary therefore that the design engineering keep abreast of current changing in governmental regulations regarding the depreciation allowance. In general, depreciation accounting method may be divided into two classes. The first one is arbitrary method, giving no consideration to interest cost. Second one, method taking into account the interest on the investment cost. Straight line declining balancing and sum of the year digit method are included in the first classes, will be second class including the sinking fund and present worth method. Okay, આટલી method છે. In general depreciation part, in accounting the method may be divided into two classes. The first one is arbitrary method, giving no consideration on interest cost, and second one, method taking into the account interest on the investment. The straight line declining balance and the sum of the year digit method are included in the first classes, while the second classes included the sinking fund and the present worth method. Okay, now the straight line method detail માં જોઈશું આપણે. In a straight line method for determining depreciation. Okay, the first will be the completely read, and after the completely explanation part. In the straight line method for determining depreciation, it is assumed that the value of the property decreases and linearly with the time equal amount are charged for depreciation each year throughout the entire service life of the property, and the annual depreciation cost may be expressed in equations from as follows. That which one equation? D is equal to V minus Vs by N. This is the most important equations. આના બેઝિસ પર આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કરવાના છે. તો વોટ ઇઝ ધ ડી, વોટ ઇઝ ધ વી, વોટ ઇઝ ધ વીએસ, વોટ ઇઝ ધ એન, એ ડિટેલ્સમાં આપણે જોઈશું. In the straight line method for determining depreciation cost, it is assumed that the value of the property decreases linearly with a time. Equal amount are charged for depreciation each year throughout the entire service life of the property, and the annual depreciation cost may be expressed in equations from as follows. So what is the D? D is equal to V minus Vs by N. Okay, the D is equal to annual depreciation dollar per year. D is equal to V minus Vs by N. So what is the D? D is equal to annual depreciation dollar per year. V is equal to original value, the property at start of the service life period and completely installed and ready for use in dollars. The Vs is equal to salvage value of property at end of the service life dollars માટે, and N is equal to service life per years, the asset value and a book value of the equipment at any time during the service life may be determined from the following equations. VA is equal to V minus AD. Okay, D is equal to V minus Vs by N, and D is equal to annual depreciation dollar per hour. V is equal to original value, Vs is equal to salvage value, and N is equal to service life year, the asset value of the equipment at any time during the service life may be determined from the following equations. VA is equal to V minus AD. Okay, the all this data write in your notebook. Now next part is the complete discussion for this one. Okay, this is the most important equations for a straight line method. D is equal to V minus Vs by N and V is equal to V minus AD. All the notification is there. Okay, now the discussion part. The what is a VA asset value કેવા છે એને asset અથવા તો book values ડોલર ટર્મમાં આવશે and A is equal to the number of year in actual use. Because of its simplicity, the straight line method is widely used for determining depreciation cost. In general design engineering, report economic evolution on the basis of straight line depreciation unless there is some specific reasons for using one of the other method, because it is impossible to estimate exact service life and salvage values when a property is first put into use. In sometimes desirable to estimate these factors from time to time during the life period of the property. If this is done, straight line depreciation can be assumed during each of the period, and the overall method is known as the multiple straight line depreciation. Okay, shows how the asset value of a property varies with a time using the straight line and the multiple straight line method for determining depreciation. Now the other discussion part is the straight line method may be applied on this basis of unit of the productions or a precipitate amount of service output instead. હવે સિમ્પલી જે ગ્રાફિકલી ડેટામાં આપ્યું છે તમને કિંમત કેટલી હશે, કેટલા વર્ષ યુઝ થઈ હશે, એના બેઝિસ પરથી આપણે એસેટ વેલ્યુ, બુક વેલ્યુ અને એના પરથી આપણે ડી ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ વી માઇનસ વીએસ બાય એન આપણે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાનું હશે. દેન વીએ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ એ માઇનસ એડી આવે છે તેના બેઝિસ પરથી આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરીશું. ઓકે, કેમ કે ડીની વેલ્યુ આપણે ઓલરેડી ફાઇન્ડ કરીશું તો આપણને એસેટ વેલ્યુ મળી જશે. એટલે માટે the straight line method may be applied on this basis of units of productions or a predicted amount of service output instead of life years, and the depreciation may be based on miles, gallons, tons, number of unit pieces produced, or other measure of service output. This so-called unit of productions or service output method is particularly applicable when a depletion part occurs, as in the exploitations of nature's resources. It should also be considered for properties having useful lives that are more dependent on the number of operations performed than on calendar time. Okay, this ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમ માટે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે, જોઈ લેજો એકવાર ખાસ. વિચ ઇઝ ધ ફિગર as the comparisons of straight line, multiple straight line, sum of the years and declining balancing method for determining depreciation ના પાર્ટ માટે છે. હવે આપણે જોઈએ છે મેઇન સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇન મેથડ માટે આપણે ઓલ કોઈ બી મેથડ હોય તો આ તમારે ગ્રાફ ડ્રો કરવાનો જરૂરી છે, કેમ કે કોના વર્સિસનો ગ્રાફ છે, એસેટ વેલ્યુ ઇઝ અ ડોલર વર્સિસ લાઈફ પીરિયડ ઇન યુઝ પર યર માટે છે. ઓકે, ધ સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇન મેથડ, મલ્ટિપલ સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇન મેથડ, sum of the year digit method, declining balancing method. Okay, now the next method આપણે next lecture માં જોઈશું. Now the revision part take in this lecture. ખાલી મેથડ જ પર જોઈશું આપણે, ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન પાર્ટ જોઈ ગયા છે ઓલરેડી આપણે. સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇન મેથડ. In this straight line method for determining depreciation, it is assumed that the value of the property decreases and linearly with time equal amount are charged for depreciation each year throughout the entire service life of the property. The annual depreciation cost may be expressed in equations from as follows: D is equal to V minus Vs by N, and where D is equal to annual depreciation dollars per years, V is equal to original value of the property at the start of the service life period, completely installed and ready for use dollars, and VS is equal to salvage value of a property at end of service life dollars માટે, અને N is equal to service life year માટે. Okay, and the asset value છે VA, V is equal to A minus AD. Okay, this is the completely method, discussion part is there, and this is a graphical system. Okay, so thank you so much. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું આપણે ડિક્લાઇનિંગ બેલેન્સિંગ મેથડ. થેન્ક યુ.